Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new.
Hello everyone, my name is Lena and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to do Douyin makeup. So first things first is to prime up your face. Priming will really smoothen up your skin and make your Douyin makeup look natural. So do this if you want your makeup to not look cakey. Put it all over your face, make sure to hit every spot and areas on the face. Next is foundation. I use my fingertips to put dots all around my face. Like make sure you have dots of foundations in every area of your face and a bit on your neck so that the foundation seamlessly blends. Next, we're gonna blend it with a clean sponge. Make sure to spread the foundation to every area of your face. Make sure to get one dash or stroke of concealer in these three areas. We only need to use a bit of concealer for our Douyin makeup and we're gonna blend it with a small brush. Next is setting powder. We put it all over our face and dab it all around to ensure that our makeup looks less oily. We put setting powder because we want to give that soft, smooth texture. Next step is contouring, which for Douyin makeup, we're only gonna contour our nose, and the style of contouring for Douyin makeup is just straight, so we're just gonna draw a natural line. After that, we're gonna get a bright pink blush and put it over our nose. You have the option to put the blush on your nose bridge or below the tip of your nose. Then we also put blush on our cheekbones to make it look like we have a skinny face. The next step is we're gonna draw in our aegyo with a brush and some brown eyeshadow. To draw the aegyo, you need to squint your eyes and make the under eye puffy and outline it. I'll also use the same brown eyeshadow to make a little line above my eyelids to make my eyes look bigger. Next is we're gonna be putting some black eyeliner. We're just gonna draw a sharp and straight regular wing starting on our eyelids and just bring it out. I'm also gonna put a bit of eyeliner down my eye to make my eye look rounder and bigger. For the brows, we're gonna keep it minimal, so just get a brow brush and get some gel and just brush it on your brows. The next step is we're gonna highlight the inner corners of our eyes and on our nose and also on our aegyo. Next is mascara. You can also put Douyin style fake eyelashes. For this makeup, we use a lot of mascara, and I mean a lot, because we really want to raise up our eyelashes and make our eyes pop. We're also gonna put mascara on our under lashes. After that, we're doing our lips. Just get a glossy bright red or pink lippy and just dab it on your lips. Make sure to really tap it so it looks smooth and cloudy. Last step is setting spray.
김치찌개, 불고기 비빔밥, 향기로운 갈비찜, 맛있는 잔치국수, 맛있는 한식.